Hello viewers, our today's topic is surface areas and volumes. Question 2. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 cm and the total height of the vessel is 13 cm. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 cm. The total height of the vessel is 13 cm. Diameter of the hemisphere is given as 14 cm. We can calculate the radius of the hemisphere. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 14 by 2 is 7 cm. So the radius of the hemisphere is 7 cm. 14 by 2 is 7 cm. Height of the hemisphere is equal to radius of the hemisphere. So height of the hemisphere equal to 7 cm. Radius of the hemisphere is also 7 cm. Don't forget this. Now radius is 7 cm. Now draw the vessel. It's a combination of hemisphere and the cylinder. The radius and the height is 7 cm. Total height of the vessel is 13 cm. Height of the hemisphere is 7 cm. Subtract 7 from 13. Then the height of the cylinder is 13 minus 7 is 6 cm. Height of the cylinder is 6 cm and the height of the hemisphere is 7 cm. 7 cm. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. What we have to find in this problem is calculate the inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area equal to inner surface area of the cylinder plus inner surface area of the hemisphere. What is inner surface area of the cylinder? It's nothing but curved surface area of the cylinder. We have to substitute the formula for curved surface area of the cylinder as 2 pi RH. Curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the hemisphere, and its formula is 2 pi r square. Two pi RH plus curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7. Pi value is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 cm and the height of the cylinder is 6 cm plus 2 into pi into radius of the hemisphere is 7 into 7. 7 square. 2 into pi. 2 pi is common for both the terms. So taking 2 pi outside, write the remaining 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42 plus 7 7 are 49. 2 into the pi value is 22 by 7 into 42 plus 49 is 91. Cancel this 7 and 91. 7 13s are 91. 44 into 13 is 572. Now the surface area of the vessel is 572 centimeter square. (572) square units. CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. The radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. CSA of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. The radius of the hemisphere is 7 centimeter. R value is 7, height is 6 centimeter, 2 pi, R square is 7 square. Taking 2 pi common outside, 42 plus 49, 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49.